Hi, welcome to today's daily fitness challenge. Today's activity is called laundry toss. What you're going to need is a laundry basket, some dirty clothes, socks work the best for this activity. So you set your laundry basket down, center of the room, and then you're going to spread out a bunch of different things. I've got a stuffed animal, we'll put that over there. Got some socks, these work really well for tossing. Put them around here. Got a t-shirt, this one might be a little hard. And you can go as close or as far as you want. I always like to challenge myself, so maybe I'll have some a little further, some a little close. The focus of this activity is underhand tossing. Underhand tossing can be used in a variety of activities. And the cues that I like to use are step, tick, tock. When you are underhand tossing, you want to make sure you're stepping with your opposite foot. So I'll come over here, pick up an item. I've got some socks. I'm going to step with my opposite foot because I am a righty. Tick and tock and try and make it into the basket. Now, you can go at your own pace with this, going all the way around the room, working on your form. Once you start getting pretty good at it, you can go even a little bit quicker. Try and run to the next one. And to even make it more of a challenge, you could spread all of the items out and then set a timer, and then you can see how fast you can get all of the items into the basket. I hope you like today's activity. Make sure you're practicing good form, stepping with that opposite, tick, tock. Have a great day.